everyone, we are now going to the monkey temple. Yeah, so we booked a tour from the Great Adventures Trek, if I'm not mistaken. So we're going up there, so stay tuned.
So there are many ways to express your gratitude towards the God or the divine.
This is actually nice, oh my gosh.
You lie down, you Kathmandu. There are many ways.
Oh my gosh, there's a monkey already.
Wow. Turn the wheel.
So cute. Oh wow.
So this prayer wheel, do it 3 times, okay? Do it 3 times.
Okay.
Do it 3 times.
So what's the symbol for this one?
Okay. So 2, 1 more. So this prayer wheel, inside the prayer wheel, they have placed the paper, written the 6 syllabic chanting. When we recite it, it sounds like this: Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
Om Mani Padme Hum.
It's a Buddhist chanting. It's a chanting Om. Okay. Om Mani Padme Hum. It's written in our ancient script. So Tibetan Buddhism, they also went from Kathmandu, northern India. Yeah.
Okay.
So this scholar here in the wall is called Padmasambhava, the 8th century scholar. He was the one to spread Buddhism in Tibet and Bhutan. So he's also regarded as one of the major figure like Buddha. So in Mahayana Buddhism, in their greater vehicle, they have prioritized 2 aspects: wisdom aspect and compassion aspect for cultivating yourself. Okay, so wisdom itself is not sufficient if we are not wise, if we are not compassionate, and compassion itself or love or kindness itself is not sufficient if we are not wise, if we cannot wisely use, right? So in Buddhism they have introduced a concept of God of compassion. Kuan Yin, in Chinese they call Kuan Yin. So the Tibetan also called Kachari. Talk about Buddhist mythology, Hindu mythology, lots of stories.
The monkeys are so cute.
So long time back, Kathmandu was a huge lake.
A huge lake?
Yeah, geologists they also believe. They also agree with the version. Not just Kathmandu only, the whole of Nepal was under the ocean. Wow. So because of the movement of Tibetan plateau and Indian plateau, the ocean in the middle disappeared because of the pressure. So
that's why it became landlocked.
Yeah. And we also have earthquakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Minor
I heard.
and big earthquakes.
Yeah. When was the big earthquake that damaged?
The last biggest earthquake was in 2015.
Oh my gosh.
And the earlier one was in 1934. So every about 100 years, 80 to 100 years, we have big earthquake.
Oh my gosh, that's a bigger monkey. Maybe they're the boss? The boss is?
Dog.
Shut up. Oh my gosh, I think he's the alpha. Oh my god, so cute.
So, when you talk about eyes to see, nose to smell, and tongue to taste, what else? Skin to feel, and what else? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ears to hear.
Yeah, ears to hear.
Yeah,
These are
ears
5 5 organs that we have, no?
Yeah.
5 sense organ. So beside 5 sense organ, there is one more. What do we call?
Is it the common sense?
Man? The mind?
Yeah, the mind.
Mind. Okay, look at the either side. You can find 2 images here. This side has Kumar, this eldest son of Lord Shiva, with the peacock as its vehicle. Yeah, and in another side you can see Ganesha, Lord Shiva's youngest.
Wow, this is a long stairs.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Because Nick Raymond's part of.
Stay back for a sec with me. I'm gonna get a shot of that. Curved knife.
Curved knife used by Nepalese army. And the people of Kathmandu, so it's one of the very olden settlement and olden civilization of whole Nepal. So whoever came to Kathmandu, may it be 2000 way,
The other
drive
way.
in the bus to the back side,
Okay.
and walk maybe a few minutes. But it's very interesting.
It is very interesting. It's a huge temple.
I know. Wow. So how many steps?
So people sometimes say there should be 365,
365. Oh my gosh.
representing 1 year.
Wow.
Each step a
Oh
day.
yeah, 365 days.
But
Okay.
in between it had been renovated many times. But there may not be
Correct.
correct
Okay.
number. So look at these 2 creatures, the Garuda.
Oh yeah,
So
in
it's a half
Indonesia.
man-like and half
Bird.
bird-like creature. It's an imaginary creature, and it is always seen with the serpent.
Snake.
The serpent and the Naga and the Garuda, they are enemies. And according to the Buddhist story, the god of compassion, after finding rhino are, we have one horned rhinoceros in Chitwan National Park. So they are now also one of the most endangered animals. But now they are taken good care and the number is gradually increasing. The one horned rhinoceros, and the poachers, bad poachers sometimes hunt them. And its skin is also taken as very sacred. And its horn is also taken as very sacred. Normally, a rhino in religious purpose we don't have, but in Kathmandu, the Hindus, maybe the then the families, when they worship the ancestors, like the they you don't need to pay for mine and to guide. You just get for yourself.
This is so tired. Oh.
You can increase the number of temples, no number of heritages. Yeah? So Kathmandu has 3 old towns having 3 old palaces, 2 stupas. One is this one, another is the biggest stupa of Nepal, and 2 Hindu temples. Among them, one is called Kathmandu.
So this is the entrance fee for that.
Death ritual is performed. So altogether we have 7 more villages.
How tall is that mountain compared to like is it the 5th tallest?
Langtang? No. There are still many more. There are 14 peaks above 8,000.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is 7,200.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Do you want to walk around this thing?
And our this it is written in Ranjana script, Lanche. It's a Nepal, the local Newari calligraphy. It's very difficult even for lots of Newar people. Yes, and we have simplified version as well called Prachalit Lipi, and this is Tibetan script. So Om Ma Ni Pe Me Ho. It seems like Tibetan script also were developed from our local script. So if you go to Tibet, there are many monasteries. In those monasteries also they have lots of inscriptions. They are all written in local script of Nepal. So you can turn the wheel if you want.
All of them. Let's go.
And the temple is dedicated to the goddess called Bashundara, the earth goddess. Okay?
Oh wow. This is
Yes,
cool.
When we go down, we're going to, if you want to take a few more pictures, we can. But then from there, we're going to leave so we can go to Camel. And is there anyone that wants to go back to the hotel? Is there anyone in here that wants to go back to the hotel and chill
Where's our food?
and not go in?
Oh, he's taking a picture. And this
And the
one?
name of the temple here is Harati. So she was a demoness having 500 children. And she loved
500.
So if you wish, you can. So this is moral stories. So it is said it's during Buddha's time, the demoness used to kidnap children from
my
the
gosh,
village,
really?
and they used to eat them.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
And the villagers were very sad and very much afraid of missing their children every day. And they went to Lord Buddha, asked him how our children are missing, and Buddha did meditation. He found that a demoness who had 500 children, and she loved her youngest boy very much. And she was the image of one.
Nepal is definitely beautiful. Not sure if you can see the snow-capped mountains in this area.
So I guess you're enjoying.
Yeah.
Yeah? Fresh? Not exhausting?
No. Oh my gosh, this monkey smells so cute. Alright, so we're going down on the other side. And look at the monkeys. Yeah, so we're going on this side, and this side is less challenging, I guess, because it's not really that steep. And there's just a few stairs, a few steps.
बाबा सिसा हाल्ने पेन्सिल हो
Cookies!
Immediately. And our national flag. Yeah. With the red color, two triangles. The upper triangle has moon, three moon. The lower triangle has sun. And this is the image of enlightened Buddha. The prince called Siddhartha, he left the palace at the age of 20.